these actors? Kasi parang ikaw lang yung hindi nila kabatch sa PBB.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Di ba?
Like Direct May said po kanina, it's youth itself, it's love, it's messy, and it's wild, and it's choosing and realizing your options, and then at the end of the day, boiling it down to who you are and who you want to be. And I just can't believe I'm part of it. So, ayun, thank you so much. Sana makita niyo po yung mga eksena. Super exciting. Ayun.
Si Zach din hindi rin sa PBB eh, no? So parang how does it, paano na yung nakiblend ka with everybody else?
Actually, this is my first time working with everyone except for Bianca. Actually, me and Bianca came in Rise Artists at the same time.
Right.
So, but among everything else, parang what an honor, no? Kasi hindi pa ako nag-star sa movie ever.
So this is the first.
Opo.
Okay,
So,
wow.
yun po. Hopefully this is not the last. Yun lang.
The next question is for Cyril. Cyril, ang sabi ni Patrick, ang dami mo ng projects, no? Yung, from the past and then to the recent is Senior High, High Street, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and of course yung PBB, and then upcoming Hotel 88, no? Anong realization mo as a person, as an artist, na pinagkakatiwalaan ka pa rin ng marami as one of the well-known young stars of this generation?
Thank you po, Lord, so much. Ano po, siguro, bukod po sa grateful po talaga ako sa blessings. Grateful din po ako sa mga boss, sa mga producers and directors na sumusugal pa rin sa akin na tingin nila I can do the role, I can fit for the role na binibigay nila. Thank you po dahil nakikitaan nila ako na as someone na trustworthy na actress na hindi ko po kasi binibigay yung credit sa sarili ko or sa talent ko. It's more of giving them the credit for trusting me. Ganun po lagi yung mindset ko. Kaya whenever there's a project po, hindi po siya because of me, it's because of them. Because of the people na binibigyan po ko ng work.
But you have to credit yourself as well because it's ikaw yung nakatrabaho. Di ba?
Sobrang galing.
When
I worked with her again, Lisa, it's okay ba tayo ulit nag-work together? Ngayon, di ba? Syempre nung bata yan, ilang beses ko na yan nakatrabaho. So, when we work together sa It's Okay, hanap talaga. As in like, one, memorize ang lines right away. Continuity, alam na alam niya. And talagang, she's a natural. She's a natural. As in, comic timing, wit, quick wit, as in, kaya talagang nung natuwa ako na naka-work ko siya ulit sa It's Okay, na-remind ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I'm so happy that, you know, you're getting work tuloy, and people are appreciating you. At ngayon, syempre, baby girl ka pa rin namin, kahit nadalaga ka na, babalutan ka pa rin nila ng mga kuya mo, pero still, she's, you know, the talent never faded. So, and I'm excited to see her grow pa. Not grow, but
physically.
grow. But, you know, just good for her to do more roles pa in the future na mas challenge at makitaan pa natin siya.
Of course. We're down to our last two questions, pero before we go to chat to ask the question personally, may tanong ako, Will, Bianca and Dustin. Kanina sinabi ni Direct May na yung kilig daw napaka-instant na pag kinukunan kayo. Nire-rehearse niyo pa ba yun? Tingin-tingin.
Parang hindi.
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Siguro kasi, Sir MJ, yung kilig nanggagaling sa pag-compromise talaga namin lahat.
Okay.
Hindi ko nandun na.
Like, for example, yung scene na Bianca na parang hawakan ko yung kamay mo ha.
Hindi, I think it was also natural.
Natural.
And sobrang natuwa ako habang nagtitaping kami because syempre with Dustin, first time ko siya makilala sa PBB and syempre ibang experience naman yung naramdaman ko doon inside with him and our chemistry inside was so different from taping. And with Will naman, syempre this is her
second project together. So parang ang masasabi ko with the both of them, the kilig that they both give me is different.
Okay.
Kumbaga yung nabibigay sa akin ni Will, ganito nararamdaman ko, kilig siya pero may ibang klaseng spice. Same goes with Dustin, kinikilig ako pero may ibang layer siya. So I think that's why, you know, that's what the fans saw in the three of us. Kaya rin naniwala sa amin yung mga tao because subconsciously, hindi namin napapansin na chemistry-wise, we all bring something into the table.
Pero pag kunyari titigang kayo, parang may unang natatawa, unang kinikilig, may ganun ba?
Nung kami po ni Dustin na tinginan.
Ay, parang isa. Teka, isa. Dustin, pag titigang kayo ni Bianca,
well, for me kasi yung kilig, nanggagaling siya sa pagiging komportable mo sa tao.
sa kapartner mo.
Partner mo. So, I mean, yun nga, nanggaling kami sa PBB tatlo. So, sobrang komportable talaga namin na sa isa't isa. At nung dinala naman namin siya sa set, parang natural na rin talaga eh. Kumbaga alam na namin, genuine.
Genuine. Sabi ni Direk May, no?
There's a genuine care for each other. Kaya lumalabas yun sa mata. Kasi parang hindi sa dahil walang pakialam. There's a genuine care for each other. Kaya yun, nakaka-capture siya.
Yeah, we wanna see that. Yan ang gusto namin makita sa pelikula. Chad will throw in the last question. Chad, where are you?
Ayan, hi, good afternoon. Ay, good evening.
Ayun si Chad. Okay.
Ayan. First, congratulations since na-mention ni Direk May na you are the next generation nga na love team. And so, we're all looking forward na sa December 25. For my first question, na-mention kanina na maraming kilig scenes at talagang kikiligin at yung mga tao sa sinihan. Was there a time na naging totoo na yung kilig for while ginagawa niya yung mga eksena for Bianca, Dustin, and
Yung tipong nahampas mo siya, ay, kinilig ako doon.
Wow.
Siyempre ako, hindi ko na madedeny yan. And yun naman yung beauty sa kanilang dalawa as Will and Dustin is that apakagaling nila sa ginagawa nila, apakagaling nila sa craft nila to the point na even as Bianca, pag umuwi ako, iisip ko, shucks, kinilig ako dun hindi ako makakalasa. Oh no, nasa ganung stage ako. Which means na parang tumatagos talaga siya, hindi lang sa physical, but through my heart. And that's why I appreciate the both of them so much because I really saw how much they poured their hearts into this. So, yeah, yung kilig na makikita nyo, it's all real, it's all genuine. Yung pagka-indecisive ko sa pagpili, yung hirapan ako pumili, ako talaga yun.
Pero nag-off script ba tong dalawa? Direct, meron akong gagawin papaano.
Hindi naman ganun. Parang I think it's more of while they're doing the scene, meron mga natural na gagawin.
Okay.
Na parang biglang may gagawin sila and it looks good. I mean...
Like what?
Ha? Malaking yun na lang. Basta meron sila na mga ganun.
May ganun kayo, Dustin, Will, na pa-surprise, pa ganyan?
Sorry.
Ubong-ubo, sabi ni Siren. May ganun ba? Parang, direct, gusto ko ng ganito gagawin ko.
Minsan kasi sa isang eksena po, Sir MG, meron kaming mga bagay, ako personally, meron akong bagay na ino-overthink gawin. Pero pag nandun na kami sa eksena, pag nasa zone na talaga kami, kusang lumalabas po yung mga ganung bagay. So, ang masasagot ko po dyan, meron talaga.
Okay.
Meron.
Overthinker ka ba?
Sobra.
Sobra.
Hindi naman sobra.
Ikaw nagsabi ng sobra.
Medyo. Yata.
Ayun. Dustin, ikaw naman. Ganun sinabi ni Will.
Minsan may naiisip din talaga akong gawin para
Makadagdag sa
mas maramdaman ko,
Yeah.
mas maramdaman namin. Minsan, surprise ko na lang, ganun. Minsan sasabihin ako ni Direk, ganito gawin mo, huwag mo sabihin ganyan, mga
Ah, ganun.
Oo.
Nagkukuntsaba kayo. Okay.
So, yun. Mas nagiging natural siya. Mas nakakadagdag siya ng kilig sa eksena.
Like what? Ako yung like what ng like what eh, no? Kasi gusto ko nang maramdaman eh, yung kilig na sinasabi. Kaya ka nagugulat ka pag may ganong surprise na wala sa eksena.
Oo, super. Kasi syempre, in order for you to deliver a good rom-com movie, syempre hindi naman isang klaseng kilig lang yung kailangan
That's true.
mabigay mo, especially sa mata. Kasi umaakit yun sa mata eh. So kunwari, eksena kami. Tapos ina-expect ko, kunwari gagawin to ni Will, gagawin to ni Dustin. Na-surprise ako! Biglang may ibang ginawa. So syempre, diba, iba yung reaction mo, mas natural yung reaction. And that's what I like about Direct May. She did it with us a lot of times, not just with the emotional scenes, but the kilig scenes as well.
Ay.
Nakita talaga namin yung art ng isang Direct May Cruz Alvin.
Gusto namin makita yan. And on that note, I want everybody to please invite. Let's ask